Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today to the Beamer is we are going to be fitting these, which are V-brace covers. So I think I'll give it a try, see if it looks any good. And also, as you can see, you get these little sticky bits on the inside. So it's like double-sided sticky tape stuff, just so they can stay in place. Even if they didn't have that, I can't see them moving about too much, but I imagine it's just to stop them like rattling about in the wind and things like that. Also, there will be something you will notice when you see the car, and that is that I've had a new splitter, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so if you don't know what the V-brace bar is, it's this thing here, just behind the grille, and these go on top. So to get to it, we're going to open the bonnet, sort of try and take these grills out as best as we can, and then we can take the grill out and get better access. So we want to carefully get these clips out, just like we did with the old ones if you watch the grill video, and then we'll probably get these bolts out and then pull the bumper forward so we can get around the sides. Okay, so that's one of the new grills out, and they are extremely difficult to get out. The way I found was just sort of get your fingers in there and sort of pull up like that. It's tricky, but if you don't want to break them, that's the way you got to do. If you've got money, I'd advise just buying new grills and ripping them out and then doing it. But I've not long put these in, so I don't really want to break them. So now, it should just... Oh, great. So apparently, by the looks of that, we've got to cut them down, which isn't ideal, but is what it is. Right then, so luckily I have an angle grinder. Literally just slice that down and give it a little bit of a kink. So now that should just slot on there. I'm going to take the sticky tape off and then put it on. Okay, nice. I don't think it looks all that bad, to be fair. We'll put the other one on and see what they both look like once the grills are back on and the car's back together.